What's up guys, so today we're going to make a replica of Delta Force recommended vector build. Let's reset mine and let's get right into the video. Actually guys, I am really tempted to test every PC build of Delta Force on the mobile version of Delta Force and just see how different these games are apart from each other. Also guys, what actually motivated me was because I saw comments on the official Discord server of Delta Force and I see PC players saying PC builds don't actually function well, or let's say don't function on the mobile version even though they are the same game. And I'm like, it's not supposed to be so. This game is going to be crossplay. So why won't builds on PC function on the mobile version? So guys, this is what resulted to me testing out PC builds on the mobile version of Delta Force, and we are going to see how it all plays out. Guys, we are approaching the end of the video, so these are the stats of the replica I just made from the vector build Delta Force dropped on their Twitter page. So what do you guys think? So guys, I could not exactly get the same value as the PC to the mobile, so there actually seems to be a difference in both games. But well, who says we can't use PC builds on mobile? We can actually. So I'll be dropping gameplays of PC builds imported to mobile, and I'll update you guys in the next video. Peace out.